Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. I'm also going to be trying out the new eyeshadow quad. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. First up is the luxury palette of matte in the shade Desert Haze. This is £40 and you get 4 grams. There's a little bit of kickback. They do feel a bit chalky. It's not really what I would like. I'm really disappointed in this palette. I really had high hopes for it and I thought it was going to be much better than this. The shadows don't really blend into each other very well. They kind of just muddy together. Not happy with this at all. Bit of a sad day. It's time for the Airbrush Bronzer. This is a matte bronzing filter for face and body, according to Charlotte. It is absolutely huge. It's refillable, which is very exciting and very cool. It is 16 grams and 0.56 ounces. She's given a little chart as to how we should best use it. So she's saying put it here, 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 and here. It is £39. It comes in 4 shades. It comes in fair, it comes in medium, it comes in tan, and it comes in deep. Not intense, but deep. So you open it up and you get this gorgeous gold shell inside. It looks like a shell from under the sea and I'm the little mermaid. This is amazing. So this is what is inside. It's actually quite weighty. It's more weighty than that Gucci powder was. This is nice. This feels substantial. I like this. Oh my god, it's huge. The mirror is epic. So the mirror is huge. It definitely does have a more of a reddish undertone. It kind of reminds me of that Fenty one. Let's compare them. The Fenty one does look a lot more red than this. This is kind of more of a brown than a red, whereas this one I feel like it's more of a red than a brown. I'm going to do half of my face so you can see the difference. Okay, who are you? It's the smaller brush, which is her powder and sculpt. Just going to put it here. She said. Oh my god. I really like the pigment on this. It's really rich. I'm going to do the other side now. Wow. So guys, that is my finished look. I hope you liked it. I really love this bronzer. I think it's incredible and I never knew I needed an airbrushing bronzer until I tried this. I absolutely love it. I think it's stunning and it looks super natural on the skin, even though you can kind of tell that you've got something on, but you probably can't quite put your finger on what, or maybe you can, but who knows. I really also like the trick of putting it here. I feel like that's given me a really nice kind of sun-kissed, sunburnt, even though that's not healthy and not good to promote, but it's given me that kind of sun-kissed look. I really like it and I definitely feel like it's a nice way to contour your nose, just put a little bit there. So I'm definitely going to be using that trick from now on. Overall, I just think this is an incredible product and I'm so impressed by it. I didn't think I would ever find a bronzer that would work for me so well and I'm just super impressed that it does. If you, like me, bought the Fenty and just found it a bit red, then I feel like this is a much better shade. Even though it does have a slightly red undertone, it just looks a lot more natural on the skin and it's a much nicer formula as well. It's much more light, it's much more blendable, and it just looks a lot more undetectable, even though it's not completely undetectable. So I really like this product. It is completely a 10 out of 10 for me. I'm super impressed, and I wasn't anticipating I would like it as much as I did. So I'm super happy with it. I think it's definitely worth trying, buying for sure. Just buy it because you will love it. I love the size of it. I don't know how I'm going to get through all of this, but I will definitely give it a good go. The packaging is also stunning, and thankfully the product is also stunning as well. So I hope you guys like this video. Obviously I probably don't need to say it, but I would not repurchase the eyeshadow palette, but it has kind of worked quite well with the bronzer, so I'm quite glad that there is some saving grace in that product as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.